If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm super happy to introduce you to the Glam & Go by Sew Yours. This is such a fun and quick make. Perfect for presents if you need a gift that doesn't take too long to make that ends up being amazing. One thing I love about this bag is there are so many different options you can do. You can do it two-tone like this one is, where you have a solid here and a solid here, or a cotton here, or what have you. This one here, I have a clear vinyl on top, where this one I've done all in one vinyl. On the inside of this, you have elastic that fits pens or your makeup if you're using it. This would be an awesome craft bag too. Yeah, so it's on both sides. And there is some elastic there to hold those essentials as well as anything else you'd like to put in there. This one here, same thing. I don't know, I just love this bag. Coco says hi to everybody. Anyways, if you are one of my clients and you would like to order one of these amazing bags, you know what to do. All of my information is down below in the description. And if you're part of the bag makers community, there is a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. And we also made this in the December 2023 Tuesday sew along classes. So if you wanted a slow down version of how to make this, you can definitely check out the membership side for those classes. Anyways, until the next one, I'll catch you guys again. Bye.